Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to debug Aura components in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, Aura components or the Lightning Web components use the core web components standards and provides only what's necessary to perform well in browser supported by Salesforce, which means in the Aura components, you will have the same as normal websites or anything concerning a client-side application or components. And simply to debug your components from your client side, you will need simply to start using Chrome DevTools or any other DevTool from your browser. And simply to have the DevTools from your Chrome, you can press on Control Shift I, or you can simply click on Inspect by right clicking on your page or your components, inspect, and from there you can see the console. And from the console, you will be able to find all the problems, all the errors. So as you can see, there is already some debug things or some bugs that you can find here or some errors, and you can also see some the source. You can find also the APIs network from here, etc. So what matters the most is just to start going to the log, the console, and from here you can start your problem or your bugs, and you can start also to console log problems or messages, so you can see if uh, to check and find any problems from here. So basically, that's all you can do. Thank you for watching and see you next time.